Healthy plants grow from healthy soil. Especially when growing in pots, having the right soil mix is very essential. If you prefer, you can simply buy a premium potting mix like this from any gardening center and use it straight away. But for my pots, I have been making a simple, easy mix at home for many years. And that's what I'm going to show you today. Namaskaram! I'm Srithi and welcome back to Blossom Your Way, where we focus on growing what matters in your garden, your home, and your life. I like to start by reusing soil from last season's pots. As long as it's free from pests and diseases, it can be refreshed rather than thrown away. Here, I have tipped the old soil into my wheelbarrow so I can blend in the fresh nutrients. Next, I add 30 liters of good quality garden compost. This improves the texture, boosts organic matter, and feeds the soil life that supports healthy roots. Then, I mix in a 25-liter bag of chicken manure blend. This adds slow-release nitrogen, helping leafy growth in the early stages. I mix everything thoroughly so all the ingredients are evenly distributed. This helps roots spread out and access nutrients evenly. For an extra boost, I add Nutroximungus halfway through filling the pot. This way, the nutrients are spread through the root zone as the plants grow. It's a pelletized seaweed and manure blend that promotes strong root development and overall plant health. Once the mix is ready, I fill my pot right to the top, allowing for a little settling after watering. Finally, I mulch with who-flung dung. This mulch helps lock in moisture. It is weed-free and it also helps to suppress the weeds, and it also feeds the soil as it breaks down, which is especially important in pots that can dry out quickly. And that's it. A nutrient-rich, well-balanced mix ready for planting. You can use this for vegetables, herbs, or flowers in your containers. In another video, I will show you what I planted in this pot and how it grew from seed to harvest. Next, we'll be looking at soil mixes for seed sowing. I will share exactly how I prepare mine in next week's video. Until then, please keep growing what matters. And please remember, it doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to start. Now, if you have found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with friends and family who love gardening. That's how our gardening community can grow together.